This frying pan snack is ready in less than 15 minutes and tastes incredible. In a bowl, add an egg, half a teaspoon of salt. Mix everything together. Add a tablespoon of butter, 120 milliliters of milk. Just mix until smooth. Add a cup of wheat flour. I'll mix it again. Let's add a teaspoon of baking powder and mix. Cut up some ham. The amount is up to your taste. I'll pour some of the batter into a frying pan. Add the ham on top. Grated mozzarella cheese to taste. Now I'll put what's left of the dough on top of the filling. Bring to the boil over a low heat. Add oregano to taste. Cook until golden brown. I'll turn it over so that it browns on the other side too. And our snack is ready. Easy, quick and delicious. Thanks for watching. See you next time and enjoy.